In Fiji, rugby is the heartbeat of the community, a sport that starts in the villages and ignites a nation. Children here learn to pass a rugby ball before they can walk, and local matches are vibrant celebrations of culture and unity. It's on these grassroots pitches where the Fijian style of play, full of flair and fearlessness, is born, captivating rugby fans worldwide. Rugby in Fiji is more than a game. It's a cultural phenomenon that unites the nation. It's in the markets, the villages, and the hearts of the people. The sport is a symbol of hope, a testament to the resilience and spirit of Fijians. When a try is scored, it's not just a point, it's a moment of collective triumph. Rugby transcends social and economic boundaries in Fiji, serving as a common language and a unifying force. It bridges ethnic and class divisions, fostering social cohesion and national pride. Beyond the pitch, rugby is a catalyst for community engagement and a platform for showcasing Fiji's rich cultural heritage. Imagine the electric atmosphere of a live rugby match in Fiji, the roar of the crowd, the beating of the lali drum, the vibrant chants. It's a communal celebration, a reflection of Fiji's festive spirit. The stadium buzzes with energy, making every match an unforgettable expression of national identity and pride. A rugby match in Fiji is an immersion into local traditions and rituals. Pregame ceremonies, kava ceremonies, and community singing of rugby anthems create a unique atmosphere. It's a place where fans and players share food and drinks, symbolizing unity and hospitality, and where every cheer and chant is steeped in tradition. Fijian rugby fans are the embodiment of loyalty and devotion. Their support is a celebration of heritage and identity. The kava ceremony sets a communal tone, and the tropical warmth adds to the electric stadium atmosphere. Fijian fans' passion is a driving force that fuels the players and ignites the stands. The Fiji Rugby Union faces a standoff with World Rugby and the Fiji government over the new coach's appointment, sparking debates on governance autonomy. This conflict highlights the need for transparent processes and has captured the public's attention, reflecting their deep connection with the sport. The FRU must navigate international rugby politics, balancing national interests with global governance. They advocate for fair representation and opportunities for Fijian players, building relationships with other rugby nations, and ensuring the sport's growth and success on the world stage. Despite challenges, Fijian rugby leadership has triumphed with the Fijiana Drua's development, a beacon of empowerment in women's rugby. Their performance, supported by the local community and weather conditions, highlights the potential and progress of rugby in Fiji. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.